complete opposite of male. My name is Sejal Brahmbhatt. I'm a partner at Williams, Hart Boundas in Houston, Texas. I've been doing mass torts for over 20 years, and before that I did a little bit of family law. So talk about eliminating the types of practices that you decide to pursue. But our firm is actually nationwide and recognized in the mass tort arena, and some of you might even know our firm. We take immense pride in not only being part of the marketing team and the process of how to obtain the cases, but taking it up into litigation. So our team of attorneys, you're going to find those that are the brief writers, you're going to find the litigators, you're going to find the ones that are vetting the cases. And I personally do a little bit of all of it because, as we all are type A personalities in this room, don't tell me otherwise. I take a lot of pride in the work product that we have. So for those attorneys or small firms that are looking to co-counsel or refer cases, mine along with Kim's, we're those types of firms that you would send the case to get them resolved or go through the settlement process, talk to the special masters, go through the discovery disputes, get the cases set for trial, try them from A to Z. That's kind of what we do. Not only do we do that, but we've got a great team of dedicated lawyers that do personal injuries, such as the 18-wheeler cases. We've got commercial litigation. We still have a team of people working on the asbestos bankruptcies from back in the day. So it's very well-rounded, and John A. Williams, I think he's had his firm for about twice as long as I've been practicing. So there's a lot of credibility and reputation involved. And as far as the question that Kim posed earlier, it's multifaceted. I couldn't just come up with one thing, which is, indicative of what we also do for a living, which is answering questions with one word. One is money, because you needed resources and the money to fund these cases. They do not come cheap. And when I say that, it's not just the case acquisition, but it's retaining the experts to help you defend your case or represent your client. It's the litigation expenses involved. It's the medical records. It's yourself. It's the traveling. And there's a lot that goes into these mass torts because, as you know from the term, it's not just one case. It's multiple cases of the same type of lawsuit or injury. So you need money because there's also no timetable as far as how long it'll take to resolve. Unlike traditional PI cases in which you can resolve a case with a trial or resolution in about 2 years, 18 months, this can go on for years. And those of you that have any experience in this or knowledge, Johnson & Johnson filed their second bankruptcy last week. Just when I thought I was going to get my trial settings back and get to try these cases and take care of these women, J&J filed another bankruptcy. And so this has been going on for 6 or 7 years now. So you want a firm that can actually handle these setbacks and fund the cases to resolution. The second is networking. Mass Torts Made Perfect is a wonderful opportunity for you to meet people. So whether it's me or any of my esteemed colleagues on this panel, if you have any questions as far as which torts to pursue, or any questions related to causation, or who to even team up with, amongst all of us, we have some feedback and knowledge that can help guide you. So I think that it's an interesting dynamic field to practice, and it's unlike anything else that I got introduced to. And I'm excited. I love it. Like what Neil was saying, I think it's so gratifying, and it's always evolving. It's never the same science in these cases, and it's fun to figure out strategy and hold Big Pharma accountable. So thank you for having us here today. I really appreciate it. Romaine, Kim.